It's indeed excellent environment with two neighboring states competing with each other, two dynamic IT ministers. The other day we witnessed how IT Minister Telangana gave his presentation, and today we are seeing the developments from state of Andhra Pradesh. I feel it's a golden period for the industry, because both the states are going to compete in coming out with very innovative and industry-friendly policies. That will be good for all of us. The other important thing, whenever there are problems, whenever there are some issues, there are opportunities for entrepreneurs. I feel after the division of the states, a lot of issues are there. But if you can innovatively think about how you can find solutions for those problems, I think you'll have a lot of business prospects. Honorable Minister, I was talking to many IT companies in Hyderabad and also in Bangalore. Particularly when I was talking to medium scale and a little bit of large scale companies, they were talking about 2-3 problems. One is, today, unlike previous days, there used to be a lot of testing jobs, very mundane jobs. But today, a lot of those jobs have got automated. A lot of automated tools are there. The complexities of IT services offerings are increasing. At the same time, unfortunately, the quality of the resources, what they are getting from the engineering colleges, is going down. So that is creating a big problem for particularly for the SME segment in IT industries. If we can provide a solution, yes, in the state of Andhra Pradesh, we provide excellent resources to take care of whatever the requirements of the growing complexities of the IT services segment. Definitely a lot of SME companies, not necessarily from Hyderabad, from all over the country, they will all move into your state. The other important issue which they raised, particularly now today, many small companies, particularly IT companies, there is no level playing field for them. If there is a big company, they can have their own SEZ. They're enjoying the tax benefits in SEZ. If they're slightly bigger company, they can also locate into one of the SEZs. But if you want to encourage a small IT startup company or a small IT in a niche area, if they want to provide IT services and they want to operate from their residences or a small place, there is no tax holiday for them. They have to go all the way to SEZ and pay all the high rentals, transportation costs, all those things. This we have been representing with Government of India, why they removed the tax holiday for STPIs, why they included SEZ tax holiday. I think that is anomaly in whatever the government policies. If AP government can come with a solution that yes, for SME companies, for a growth fund, whether they are a startup technology product company or a services company, here we are providing a loan, a soft loan, like Technology Development Board, they have got a soft loan of, they provide loan at 5% interest without any collaterals. If you can provide that kind of infrastructure in your state, I think there will be a big queue of companies coming from all over the country and looking forward to setting up their operations and create job opportunities in our state. So like this, you need to provide some kind of a out-of-the-box thinking IT policy rather than a conventional, giving land, giving subsidies, giving this. This I think a lot of governments are doing. I think you need to really think through, brainstorm, and come out with a very innovative IT policy. As my colleague Bipin Chandra mentioned, if you can create centers of excellence into the pharma vertical or biotechnology vertical or PCPIR, a lot of companies are going to come there, the pharma vertical, and provide the linkages to this IT companies, provide some common infrastructure for them, I think definitely a lot of IT companies, not necessarily SME companies, even bigger companies will move into Visakhapatnam or the places in Andhra Pradesh. In fact, today, the story is hardware. India enjoyed the software story all this 20, 30 years. I think the new story is going to begin. That is the India hardware story.